What does AM and PM stand for? AM is short for ante-meridian, and PM is short for post-meridian. Well, what does that mean? So from Latin, ante means before or prior to, and post means after. Meridian is referring to the north-south meridian line, and in these commonly used abbreviations for designating the time, the sun is what is being clocked, so to speak, on whether the sun is on its journey in the sky prior to or before it reaches this special cross of the north-south meridian line in the arc of the ecliptic, or if the sun is past that special cross of the north-south meridian line in the arc of the ecliptic. So let's look at this in a way that almost no one else shows you, so you can really make sense of why it is we use AM and PM in telling the time of day. If you've been following along in these free video lessons where we're learning more about alternative astronomy, you'll recognize this image as we quickly orient everyone here. The reason why we focus on this special area in the sky we've nicknamed the real oracle or the real all-seeing eye is because this is the one place in the sky where you find the sun, the moon, the planets, and all the star constellations, the 12 constellations known as the zodiac constellations, travel along. This real oracle in the sky is found by facing due south and looking up above the Earth's horizon in the sky. You know you're facing south if you turn your body until your left side is facing the direction where the sun rises in your area and your right side is facing where the sun sets. So we're going to look at the real oracle in the light of day to get a good look at the ante-meridian time of day to start with. This is an image of how the sky appears at sunrise, or around there, of a mid-November morning in the northern hemisphere. Notice the sun, like it always does when you're facing south, appears to rise up above the eastern horizon of the Earth. So it's found east of, as you can see, this north-south meridian line, or is ante-meridian or AM time. Compare that to this image of how the sky appears later on, nearing sunset, on that same mid-November day in the northern hemisphere. Notice the sun, like it always does when facing south, appears now to be falling or setting into the western horizon of the Earth. The sun is now found to be west of that special cross of the north-south meridian line in the arc of the ecliptic, as you can see, or is post-meridian, or PM time now. Thanks for spending a few minutes of your time here to learn more about alternative astronomy and why it is we use AM and PM in talking about the time. You can check out our other videos here on our channel where we're looking at time and space in a whole new way, or you can check out our books by following the links down in the description to learn more as well. You can find that on our website at starsnearme.com. And until next time, stay lit and be well.